Hey everyone, so we're going to do a quick unboxing here of the Leviewlity, I think that's how you say that, battery powered camera. This is the CM-01 version here. So this is, of course, battery operated. It is rechargeable, and it can last up to a year on a charge, which is pretty crazy for a security type camera. And of course, we got user manual. There's some stickers. Protected by Leviewlity. That is a V. The little green thing there is a V. Of course, your hardware, your mounting point. Let's see, USB Type-C cable. And of course, the camera itself. And this is a 2K camera. So that is pretty nice. And let's take a look around this camera itself. So it looks like we have some LED lights here. Of course, you have the camera itself right in the middle. I don't know if you guys can probably cannot tell this, but this down here is actually like a brownish color. The video is not going to show that up very well at all, but it's like a brownish color. It's really cool. Nice looking little camera. It actually has some weight to it too. I mean, it feels nice. It does not feel like a cheap camera whatsoever. Leviewlity, I mean, this thing feels really good. So we have our charging port down here. Pop that off, charge it on up. Let's say Leviewlity on both sides. That'll be for, of course, the mounting. I believe this is a speaker, I want to say, on there as well. Yeah, very nice looking little camera. And I actually almost missed it. If you pop off this entire thing here, so you can pop out the middle part to get to the charger, or pop out the entire thing, that is where your SD card will go. And you see there's also a power button there as well. Let's see. Yeah. So that is cool. And this is all, of course, this is gonna be waterproof when you have this on here. And then this is a mic, like I said, as well. So yeah, I said just a quick unboxing here. We'll do a review of this eventually once I've had it up and running for a bit. But yeah, again, it's supposed to last up to about a year on a charge. Of course, that depends on your weather conditions and whatnot. But yeah, all right, guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.